All right, y'all. We're gonna hit the cycle gear. Get this tire aired up. We'll drop it off to them so they can air it out. Hopefully they had this done today, cause I might get a 450. You never know. All right, y'all. The Uber's here. See y'all when we get there. Let's go ahead and take this motherfucking tire in there. See if he can get me. How you doing? I brought it back. I took off that caliper because this was like these were extremely hard to get off.
And the other side looked like the screws might have been a little rusty.
Yeah, they were, but they were strong. Like they,
Got it?
Yep,
Okay.
yep, they held on. So
yeah, to take these off, you don't want to take it off from this side.
this side, yeah.
Yeah, you want to pop that nut on there, and you have to put. They make the easiest way to do these. They make what's called a ratchet wrench.
Okay.
So it's a box end wrench that'll fit right over that, but it's like a ratchet. Those are the easiest way to pull them on.
Oh yeah,
Because otherwise you'll just tear the heck out of these.
Yeah, yeah. You can see I tore these two right here up, and I stopped. I stopped and I said, all right, I'm gonna take this
You got to take it
off.
off from that side.
Yeah. Okay. I did manage to get 2 off though, but after that, those other 2 were not coming off. But yeah, just give me a call when it's done. Look at that tooth smoker. Yeah, she definitely ain't got no back wheel on, as you can see, man. Hopefully today we get that back wheel back, but I'm gonna go ahead and start her up for you just so y'all can hear it. You know, because she's still running strong. I think next time you'll hear from me is whenever they call me when the tire's ready. My boy is back on the 85, man. So I had to rebuild her this morning, man. She fucked around. I'll share out an old piston probably when I get back in the house. If I remember, bro. I might not remember. But yeah, messed around, man. The old piston got like a fat ass chunk in it. And the piston was broken like 2 pieces. Like it was some crazy. I mean, not the piston, but the ring was like kind of broken 2 pieces. So I was just there like, what the fuck? But yeah, we on the goddamn we on the 85, bro. And she feel right. She feel right, bro. She feel real nice. This morning, bro, was like the first time that I rebuilt the bike, and it actually fucking ran after. I think this is rubbing against each other. It's like hot as fuck, and it's like low-key making it smell. But no, back to what I was saying. I rebuilt this bike this morning, and it's the first bike that I ever rebuilt, and it actually worked after. Like I rebuilt my 85, my other 85, my CR, and it didn't work. It was something else wrong with it. Now this time, this was the second time I tried to work on this one, and it didn't work the first time. But shout out to my homeboy Chase, because he the one who got me right. Now, I did this one this morning, and she running fine, man. So if y'all are scared to get into 2 strokes, because y'all scared for the labor and the work, it's real cheap to replace these parts and these engines, man. I'm not lying to y'all. So like $100-some. So, and you see how she running right, bro. Yes, sir. I'm not going wheelie because I'm trying to break the piston in right, and I don't want to fuck that up and then fuck up this piston. Because the last one, like the piston skirt was fine, but the top part, it just was like, hell no. I got her busting it open. I got her busting it open. I'm just glad that I finally like got it back. I'm glad that it's finally back up and running. I've been wanting to ride it for so long, and it's just like fuck. Everything has been going wrong with this bike, with these top ends. So hopefully, this is the last one that I have to do in a long time, bro. Because this shit is not it. Doing this shit over and over again. But I'm glad she's back up and running though. Now this right here, I was coming back from the Dollar, not the Dollar General, but the it's a gas station up there called Blue Dolphins, and I was coming back, and this is where my bike blew up last time, and there go my mama. This is where it blew up last time. I was right here, I was stopped, and that joint was like, it was not running. Look at her. I'm finna go back to the crib. I'm finna go back to the crib, hold on. Say what's up to the camera.
Oh, hello, camera. Hello.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, subscribe to my channel.
No, I'm not. She did. That's subscribe to your channel, Rick. So you draw. What's up? What's up?